Hi, this is Dr. Kiran Sodhi welcoming you all to my channel Pedia Talks. This video is part 2 of the series on school dislike amongst children and talks about the management of the issue. Part 1 deals with the various reasons why a child is likely to dislike going to school. As no management is successful till we know the cause of the problem, I request you all to watch that video too. And another request, if my videos are managing to make a difference even in the minutest manner, I request you to like it and if possible leave a feedback. And in order to watch more parenting videos like these, please subscribe to my channel. The cause of school dislike may be any of the reasons elaborated earlier. Establishing the cause for school dislike is half the battle won. As mentioned earlier, even if the reason for dislike may be obvious, the child may be too scared or confused to talk about it. So, you must talk to the child openly in a non-threatening and non-blaming manner to find out the root cause. Once you understand the reasons, it may be necessary to communicate with your child's teachers and school staff who can give further insights into the child's behavior at school and help you in addressing various issues. You can create a positive attitude towards learning by becoming more inclusive in the child's school curriculum, noting down the difficulties and trying to make the learning process more fun and engaging. Maybe by applying it to real life situations, thereby making it easier for the child to learn. For example, the child who has just started learning addition and subtraction at school can have clearer concepts if real life examples using coins, sweets, or pebbles are used to teach. Similarly, suppose the child who's being taught germination of seeds in the science class may be taught this live, wherein you actually make the child sow seeds at home, water them, and teach them about germination as a real life example. In almost every subject and at almost every level, you can make the learning process more enjoyable and easy to do for the child. In order that the child can optimize their time, you must help them establish a consistent routine for homework and study time. Make sure your child has a quiet and comfortable place to study and offer help with homework, but don't do it for them. If a child is having trouble with peers, encourage them to participate in extracurricular activities or clubs where they can meet the children with similar interests. Interacting with peers breaks the ice and removes shyness and self-doubts that the child may be having. Every child has unique strengths and interests. Encourage your child to pursue activities they are passionate about, whether inside or outside of school. This can boost their confidence and overall attitude towards school. Use positive reinforcement to encourage good school habits. That is, praise and reward them for their efforts and achievements, no matter how small. Stay involved in your child's education. Attend all school events, meet with teachers regularly, and show that you value their education. Children often mimic their parents' attitudes. Show a positive attitude towards learning and education yourself. Sometimes you may need intervention of a professional, especially if your child shows signs of anxiety, depression, or other emotional issues related to school. In such a case, don't hesitate to seek help from a counselor or psychologist. Change of school. Sometimes we need to resort to this option even though it may be impractical and not cost effective. But this should always be the last one. After all, methods to make the child comfortable at school have been exhausted and have not helped. School change is justified when you can establish that the problem is a grossly non-correctable one at the level of the school. Adjustment issues primarily at the end of the child generally get sorted out eventually by the patient and mature handling. As a parent, remember, not only for this issue being discussed, but for every facet of parenting your child, every child is different and unique. One approach cannot work for all. It is important to be patient and persistent in finding the right one for your child. Thank you and happy parenting. Please visit my channel Pedia Talks for more such videos on parenting issues of childhood. See you in my next video.